how to add a bank account in Etsy. If you begin setting up an Etsy store, then if it is first going to ask you for your shop references, the name of your shop, and the next step will be how you get paid. Now, if you are located in the United States, then if you scroll down, it should show you this option, add your bank information, and it is going to ask you to connect your account via Plaid. Once we click on that option, it is going to show us the Plaid website here, connect in seconds, keep your data safe, and we're just going to click on continue. You have the option of either entering your account and routing numbers to link instantly if it's eligible or in 1 to 2 days, or you can just log into your bank to link it instantly. We're going to choose the first option. Now here you will choose your bank, so which bank you use. Let's just do Bank of America as an example. And this is going to open up that specific bank's website, continue to log in, and it's going to ask you to sign into your account. And once you sign into your account, then it is going to be added to your Etsy store. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.